In the past, you've seen us run the cable down the side, which is the legitimate, proper way. However, the owner of this vehicle typically goes through vehicles relatively quickly, and he likes to be able to take stuff out. So in this case, we're going to do it kind of the easy way, where we remove this trim panel and basically tuck it up against the headliner all the way and then run it down into the dash. It's a much simpler way to do it, much quicker, but it's also much easier to remove. Oh, come on. There we go. We're running our front camera and our rear camera cables together. We'll tie off our front camera right here underneath the dash because we're probably not going to get to that today. But this way we don't have to take out the radio. In order to run our new camera, we have to run a new line. We're not going to use the factory wire that runs through the boot. We're going to run our own. So we do have to take all the trim pieces off the tailgate and mount the new camera. So all we're going to do is cut a little strip, drill 2 holes, and then mount our camera. And what I'm doing here is I'm measuring the cable for our power wire that will tie into our RCA over here and our power lead coming from the front. So that way the camera always has power.